That just threw me off. Seeing that smoke in there kind of threw me off. Now, there it go. That is kind of weird.
Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie, back with another video today. If you not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. So today, with the industry right now, there is make sure you got some. Anyway, in the industry right now, there are a lot of products being dropped, right? And I always say you do not need to buy everything that comes out, and you don't. If your products are doing a job, they're doing a job. But for the few people or the couple of people who are looking to purchase new products to see if any products are worth the upgrade, that's what we're here for, all right? So today we are gonna compare, or we're not gonna compare, yeah, we're gonna compare Stylecraft and Gamma, the Flex and the Cyborg. So I've been using the Flex for a little while now. If you've been following my page, that's been my go-to trimmer at the moment. But Gamma has released the Cyborg trimmer. So the question is it worth buying a different trimmer if you have the Flex, or if you already got even the Rebel that's from Stylecraft / Gamma? So first you start with release date. Are these even available? Right now on the website, the Flex is available. It says, or at the time of filming this, it says in stock. The price of these are $149.95. So you're looking at $150 for the Flex. That's been my go-to at the moment. And as far as the Cyborg, these are from Gamma. They are newer at the moment, and they are on their pre-order run. As we know, Gamma / Stylecraft likes to do the pre-order runs, and for some people that works, that's cool. And yes, from the business standpoint, I understand it. But at the moment, they are not available, but they are on pre-order at $195 or $199.95, right? Of course, with both of these, you can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie across the Stylecraft website and the Gamma website. So whichever one you choose, you can use that discount code, save you a couple dollars. But the Flex is $149, the Cyborg is $199. All right. As far as shipping, the time that it takes to get to you, if it's in stock, it's taking you 3-5 business days, something like that. And as far as the pre-order, I think as of now, and if you order right now for the Cyborg, they are shipping out in September. So you're like 2 weeks away from early September release date of the Cyborgs if you choose to go with the Cyborg. One of the things that one of the things that Gamma and Stylecraft is good with is accessories. So in the Flex, you get the trimmer, of course, but then you also get the charging dock, and you get these different face plates. But the thing with these face plates, it can alternate different colors. So on one of mine, I have the blue and black, and then on another, I have the all black, right? But you can change, the color on it, faceplate and stuff like that. And then of course you get charging cable, screwdriver, all that stuff that goes along with the that. And then with the Cyborg, you do not get faceplates, but you do get a charging dock, you do get their screwdriver, and you do get their cord. So that is one of the things that's different when you come into accessories. So I'm not usually big on changing my faceplates and stuff like that. I did with these just because I can tell which one's my more harsh, and then which one is more soft on the blade with my Flex. But in the side, I don't really look for the accessories. So if that is something that you are looking for, you might want to go to the Flex. As far as at the moment, Cyborg does not have any different faceplates or any extra accessories that can come along with the product at $195, right? They do have something different. They both do have a blade setter in it. So let me pull out the accessories. If I can find it. So they both do come with their with Stylecraft's blade setter on the blade, right? It's their like blade cover / blade setter. But the difference with the Cyborg, they also put their new blade setter in there where you can put it on this side, it's more aggressive, and over on this side, you know, you put the blade in, it stretches out to give you the desired zero gapness that you are looking for. I haven't used this yet, but I will be trying this out because I have yet to change the blade on this. So I'm going to change the blade on my Cyborg to the gold blade from Stylecraft. So that's the difference in packaging. So now we have the build of the trimmers. As far as size, the Cyborg is a little bit longer, but it's also a bit slimmer when it comes to the body style, where the Flex have the bulginess out here where you can put your prints and blah, blah. But as far as that, I mean, of course, you can tell the difference. The Flex does come with their gold blade, but it's the slim, the smaller version of the gold blade. But this is the blade that comes on the Cyborg. Both of these blades are the same size. I am more of a fan of the gold blade. That's just me personally. It seems to glide a little bit smoother, which is why I do want to put that blade on this Cyborg from Gamma. I think this is smoking. Can y'all see that? I don't know if that's picking it up on the camera or not. Let me see something. This is going to be very interesting as we're reviewing. There's a little smoke coming from there. Anyway, and that's very interesting because I haven't had that problem, but it seems like when I turn this on, it's like a little smoke from that. That's very interesting. I don't know if the camera was picking that up with the Cyborg trimmer, but it seemed like it had a little smoke or something coming from it. But it's not feeling like it's getting warm or anything. That's interesting. But now, as we talk about performance, now they both have 3 hours of runtime. The difference with this is this take a Type-C charger, which offers a faster charge time. Like it supports faster charge time. So if you have like a fast block, so if you get like when I buy my phones, I get the Anchor charge block and got like 20 watts, 60 watts. The Type-C offers or can use faster charge time, right? And data transfer, faster data transfer if you are into, but that has nothing to do with the Clipper. It's like phones and stuff. But they both do have 3 hours of runtime. That just threw me off. Seeing that smoke in there kind of threw me off. Now, there it go. That is kind of weird. They both do have 7,500 RPM. The Cyborg is a digital brushless motor. The Flex is a rotary motor. But anyway, as far as performance, I am a bigger fan of the Flex. And I think it does go to the blade that comes on it. The gold blade for me glides smoother. It's easier with bulk. The Cyborg is good. Fresh out the box, you get good lines and all that. But I just feel like this chrome blade doesn't move as smoothly. It drags at times, and depending on which texture of hair that you are lining up or going through bulk with, balding out, it kind of stalls at times. But it is not a bad blade. It's just this gold blade on this flex is much better. Now again, this one does come with the more slimmer blade, but as far as performance, the gold blades are the same across the board to me. So that's why I like to choose the gold blade. And again, which is why I want to put the gold blade on the Cyborg. So that's pretty much what you get in between both of these. The main difference is accessories, the body style, and price. The price of the Cyborg $199, price of the Flex $149. That gap of price difference would make me tell everybody just go get the Flex. The Flex got the gold blade. It got a smoother body style. This is more slick in your hand, so you can put one of those grippers on there. This is more slick when you lining up. The battery, not the battery, but the like I said in my first talking of that, when you got that button right there, at certain times it can get pushed at the wrong time, and it kind of changes things, right? But overall, I just say get the Flex. And the main reason I'm even making this video is because I have been getting a few people asking, is there a main difference between the Flex and the Cyborg? As far as performance, not really. I think if you had the gold blade to put on the Cyborg, I think the Cyborg will become a better trimmer. If you already have a Flex, or if you're thinking about which one you should get between these two, I say definitely get the Flex, save you some money, go from there. It's like $50 difference. Use my discount code, Cuts by Reggie, save you even more money, all right? That's the main thing I got for this video when it comes to the Cyborg versus the Flex. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And I truly hope, like now it's not doing it. Hopefully y'all seen that in the video, but don't put that on the trimmer. I could just have a one of one. I could have tossed it the wrong way or did something to it, because I haven't had that problem. So seeing that is new to me, but we will get back to that and see if there's anything that anybody else that's buying this trimmer should think about before buying this trimmer. But even if you are thinking about which one to get the Flex. My opinion. Peace.